This is basically where your inverter, your water pumps, your water heaters, your tank levels, your inverter controls, your LP valve. I know there's a lot there, but we'll go into this in a lot more detail. So let's talk about other options on the One Place command center. So this is also where you check your water levels or your battery levels. To check your levels here under tank first, you can press the tank level and you'll see the menu pop up. So you'll see the fresh water tank shows 1/2 full, the gray waste shows empty, and the black waste also shows empty, and the LP tank shows full. Now, important to know that the LP goes by quarters, so you'll see full, 3/4, half, and empty, same as the fresh water, but the gray and the black will go by thirds. You'll see 2/3 and 1/3 full. So one other control to know on your One Place control panel are the water controls. So there's a water pump, which is actually 3 locations. This is 1 location for the water pump. Water pump is used to pressurize the water system when not connected to a water source. So you're just using your fresh water tank, no connection to fresh water. You turn on your pump, you'll see the on label turn on, and now all your faucets will have running water. If there's ever air coming out, that means your water pump is not on. And again, you can check it up here on the One Place control panel. There's also a water pump button located inside the bathroom wall next to the toilet bowl, and there's also a water pump button down at the rear of the RV in the water control section. So those are the 3 places to turn on your water pump on and off. Water pump is not required when you're connected to a fresh water source, faucet. Now let's talk about water heaters. So there's 2 options to heat your water. So if you want a hot water bath or hot running water, you either have electric heat or you have the LP, the propane heat. Now it depends, again, depending on your situation. If you're dry camping, no hookups, then you're going to use your LP heater. If you're hooked up to shore power, you can use your electric heater. Electric heater is pretty straightforward. You're going to push the button on, and if you were connected to the electrical heater, your water sources would start warming up. Now there is about a 4-gallon tank that heats up for water, so you do actually have to have fresh water in your fresh water tanks for there to be a hot water source. So it doesn't run off the water come in the faucet, so you do have to make sure that there is some water within your fresh water. So just make sure you check that you do have some water there. Now the other option is the heater LP. So if you click on the heater LP or the propane, just make sure, again, your propane valve is on. You push and hold the button, and you wait a couple seconds, and you'll hear the pilot light turn on. And you can hear the furnace. So both of these, either the electric heater or the propane, you want to give it about 15 to 20 minutes before your shower to heat up. Take your shower. Once you're finished your shower, make sure you come back and turn off the heater sources. You don't want to damage the hot water heater by leaving it on all day. So make sure you, very important note, come back and turn it off when not in use.
So please be aware that when you're using the hot water heater or the furnace, these 2 vents here get very hot. So please be careful not to touch or place any items that may melt against these vents.